the spare tire over here, getting a little air in it. Back up. That's where we get spare out. Nice. About as fast as I got the tire off. That's good. So show me the hooks here. Try to chop. Always put my foot there to wedge it. Start your drill off slow, your impact off slow. And make sure these nuts are spinning on there freely. Surprised how many times you got one looser than you thought. Pack the tools back up in the bag. I got distracted with the video, but I need to torque them down. Always check with the torque wrench. Let me take a look. I didn't get them all. Yeah, there's some pieces out there right now. Gonna take a look at this wheel. He said he hit a pothole. A lot of times it's on the inside if there's an issue. Looks round to me. I would say just a tire, buddy.
Yeah?
Yeah. Pretty sure. Up. Thanks for letting me shoot that video. I shoot TikTok videos.
Thanks for getting out here so quick.
No problem.
Now, it's been a while since we've had one of these. The 50-mile rule for spares, is that a good rule to follow?
Yes.
Yeah.
We recommend no more than 50 miles and 50 miles an hour. So basically, you just want to take it easy until you get where you're going.
Okay.
Pictures, closed out the call, figured out where my next call was, mapped it out, called the customer, and I'm en route. So, less than a couple of minutes, you should know what you're doing and be on your way to doing it. That's for sure. That was a tire change. I don't know how long it took. I wasn't keeping track, but it had to be under like 6 minutes, right?